What do you do on your birthday? How do you celebrate a birthday? That's the question we'll be answering each day is a great day, and each day you need to be thankful and grateful. Thank God for who He is and what He's doing in your life, and you need to be able to recognize God's hand in your life. Hi, how are you? This is Shavi Hamlengia, the author of the book, You Have a Bright Future. Do not give up. Secret for the singles. Men are crying, women are weeping. Thank you so much for choosing this channel. Please subscribe, share, and say something. I'm here for you. I want to encourage you, to inspire you, to motivate you, and teach you. Because I believe you deserve the best. That's the reason I have researched, and I want to give you the best. Today we'll be talking about what do you do on your birthday and how do you celebrate someone's birthday. That's what we'll be learning. And there are many people on their birthday, instead of being grateful, they are complaining, they are comparing, and they are complicating even things. You need to know what to do on your birthday and how to celebrate your birthday. On your birthday, it's a day to be thankful. Thank God. It has taken God's hand to be where you are. Don't take things for granted. And one of the reasons people are unhappy in life is taking things for granted. Remember to value and to treasure what you have and what you have been given. So you need to thank God. The second thing that you need to do, think big. It's a day to be able to evaluate your life. Look at where you are coming from, where you are, and where you are going. And try to think big. What do I need to do? The third thing, take a step and trust God for the best. 4 things. But I'll be able to explain what you need to do, how you need to celebrate your birthday. And I say that you need to thank God. And also learn to thank your parents. By the way, you need to be grateful for your parents. Most of the time, people can do a lot, but we tend to take for granted people's work. But you need to learn to thank your parents. Thank your parents, thank your family members, people who have contributed, who have helped you in life. And that's something that's very, very important. And if you can be in touch with the hospital, thank them for being there for you. So thank God, thank your parents, thank your family members. Also thank the hospital, the nurses, the doctors who helped you. Well, what do you do on your birthday? That's some of the things that we want to talk about. 1, the great thing that you need to do on your birthday, search yourself. You are growing. The question, are you growing with wisdom, with maturity? Search yourself. Try to look. How is your life? How are you living your life? It is your life, but you need to see how you are living it. Are you living? Are you impacting? Are you making any impact? You are born to be a blessing. You are created for a great purpose. So you need to be able to search on your birthday, search yourself. Try to look how you are living your life. Are you living a better life or a bitter life? A bitter life is when you are not grateful, or you have not. It does not matter if you have not realized, you have not accomplished great things, but you need to be grateful. So search yourself. Try to look, what do I need to change? As you grow, people need to see difference in your life. The second thing that you need to do, serve. On your birthday and how to celebrate, serve people. Try to see who you can spend with your birthday. And the third thing, learn to share. Put a smile on someone's face. Share what you have been given. Every day is a sharing day, but this particular day, learn to share with someone. And the fourth thing, send a message To the people who have helped you in life, the people who have been there for you, try to thank them because they have contributed to your life. And also set a priority, set a plan for your life. The other thing that you need to do, what do I need to do? What do I want to become? Think big and think right. So you need to be able also to settle any differences that you may be having as you celebrate your birthday. I say search yourself, very, very important, that you need to look deep down, and you need to serve and share, put a smile and send a good message and set a plan for the year. It's a new year that you are starting. You need to have a plan. If you don't have a plan, you're going to be deceived, you're going to waste, and you're going to lose a lot. So you need to set a plan. And also, you need also learn to appreciate yourself. And don't ruin that day. Don't risk that day. And don't rebel on that day. And there are people, when they're not given gifts on their birthday, they feel bad. You need to be grateful. It's not a day to be bitter. It's a day to praise and also to plan. It's a day to try to look down and to prophesize. Try to speak great things. These are the things that I want to do. So celebrate a happy birthday. Your day need to be happy, not bitter. And when you make it happy, remember you are grateful. You need to be grateful. And you need to thank many people. And when you learn to be grateful, you'll be able to encourage people. When you're not grateful, people will not be happy. When you celebrate your birthday, thank God, think big, and take a step, and trust God for the best. Say, I know I'll be able to make it. I wish you a happy birthday. Thank you. This is Xavier Mulengia, the author of the book, You Have a Bright Future, Do Not Give Up, Secret for the Single. Please subscribe, share, and say something.